Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the 8 absolutely free and amazing sewing patterns for men. So before we get started, I'd like to ask you to like this video if you enjoy it and share it with your sewing friends, and even think about subscribing to my channel. That way other people who, much like you, are looking for help doing sewing projects, free sewing patterns and tips and tricks can find this video, and we can all learn together and share what we all know. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So number 1 on the list is the Great British Sewing Bee men's t-shirt pattern. So this is hosted on Love Sewing Mag. It was something that they've put together and created and now put out there for people just like me and you who are looking for a free sewing pattern. Can sign up with an email and download the pattern just like that. This will have been in partnership with Great British Sewing Bee, one of the series when it was on, so the pattern is still there to use and still available, and it's really simple to use, really easy. It suggests the fabrics that you need and gives you everything that you could need to make the pattern, to make the t-shirt. So it's really good, really simple, really straightforward, something you can do within the day or even an afternoon if you are a quick sewer. Number 2 on the list is the men's shirt by Melly Sews. So Melly Sews is a great blog, somewhere I often go to read, new information about sewing, find interesting patterns, or even just find something new to sew. She often does reviews and does her own patterns, so it's somewhere I often go to find new information and find something fresh and something inspiring. So do check it out even if you're not interested in this pattern, just because it's a great place to read up on some nice information. The pattern itself is really straightforward and really simple. It comes in a couple of sizes, so whatever size you're making for, whether it's for yourself or someone else, there's definitely plenty of variety there. The pattern is really simple, straightforward, so even if you think a shirt can be quite daunting, this is really laid out really well, and the instructions are really simple. So they're really comprehensive and they are really good to follow even if you are in the beginner category. Number 3 is the men's waistcoat by Ralph Inc. So this is just in one size. It's a 38 to 40 inch chest, but if you, like me, like to adapt sewing patterns, you could easily square this up, and adjust it to the next size or a size down. I think you can purchase the pattern for other sizes while you're there, but this is just the free version available. Again, the pattern comes with everything you're going to need. Number 4 on our list is the Woodsia shorts by Mood Fabrics. As you might already know, I love Mood Fabrics. They've hit the list on a number of different free sewing pattern lists I've got. I'll link the videos in the description of all the different ones I've got for this series. Mood are really great because they create beautiful garments that are both designer friendly, like they're quite on trend. They're not bland, they're not boring, they've got quite a bit of detail, but they're also very user friendly. So even if you are in the beginner stages of sewing, they do have some that I feel like you could do, and these are really simple, really straightforward. The pattern comes with everything you need to know, from the fabrics, any extras such as zips and buttons, everything like that, interfacings if they're required. Everything is listed, everything is given to you, and they're just so simple and straightforward and so easy to follow. I also love the Woodsia shorts because they're really suitable for any kind of age. So even if you're a bit like a dad or you're a younger guy, you can alter them a little on the length if you feel like. You could make them a bit longer, but you can make them what you want, and you can make them into any kind of fabric you want. If you like something a bit more vibrant, that's fun. If you liked it a little bit more toned down, go for it. I like these because anybody can make them for their husband, boyfriend, dad, brother, anybody that you want to make these for, you can, or even for yourself. They're perfect. Number 5 on our list is the Boxwood hoodie by Mood Fabrics again. This is a unisex hoodie, so it can be made for men and women. Just depends on what you feel like doing. If you make it for anybody, everybody, it's a perfect pattern for this, but it does come under my category for the free men's patterns. And it's really nice, really simple to put together. You can use jersey, knit, French terry. It's kind of versatile. They'll put all the details again for the actual pattern, what you need in terms of fastenings, interfacings, everything like that within the pattern and the instructions. And all you need to do is enter your email. They'll send you an email with the link. You can then use that link to go download the pattern, and you can get it printed within the hour. I also love this because I secretly love that you could do a matching his and hers jumper situation with this. This doesn't apply because me and my wife, we probably pretty much do this sort of thing anyway. But if you are looking for matching his and hers patterns, this is definitely the one for you. Number 6 on the list is the Banksia pants by Mood. Again, they have another amazing sewing pattern here, and totally for free, which I love. These are a pair of like joggers, but they're a bit more stylish, so you can dress them up a little, or you can just kind of have them as like lounge pants around the house. Whichever way you want to go about it, it's definitely versatile to be able to do that. They're really easy to put together. Everything comes with the pattern again. Everything you need to know is there. Really simple. They're just kind of like a normal trouser in a jersey or a knit with, you know, the elasticated waistband. It's just put them together, simple, wear them the same day, no fuss, no mess. So number 7 on the list is a straight trousers by Lecala. It's a little bit different compared to the other websites and patterns I've provided. This is perfect. This is perfect if you're looking for a straight leg trouser. These come up nice if you're looking for kind of like a suit kind of trousers, something a bit more formal. These are definitely a pair for you. There is a couple of pictures of what somebody has made, like you know, showing how they've used the pattern. It is in a interesting light blue, but you know, if you want to see how they come up, then there's the diagram there. Pattern's easy to download and use, and it's just so straightforward. And finally, number 8 on our list is the Unisex boxers by Peppermint magazine. As you know, I'm a lover of Peppermint magazine. These are a unisex boxers, so they can be made up for men, women, anybody who wants to wear them. They are really simple, using like a cotton jersey type of fabric. Obviously, every kind of fabric that you can use will be listed to demonstrate. All the details of buttons and fastenings and all the other little bits and pieces you need to know will be listed. But these are just a really fun pattern, you know, if you're looking to make something for Christmas or something a little bit interesting, maybe a little bit cheeky for Valentine's Day, this is something that you can do. And it's just really fun and, you know, very, very practical. Everybody needs a pair of pants for Christmas. I don't know anybody who wouldn't get a pair of pants for Christmas. It's like the done thing, that and socks. So this is a good pattern for that. So there you have it, 8 amazingly free men's sewing patterns. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, subscribe to my channel, because I will be doing more sewing tutorials, tips, and showing you how you can take your sewing patterns to make something new, and giving you all the other bits of information you might need to get you on your sewing journey. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.